The Woman Beneath the River. Beneath the Blackthorn River, a woman lived in silence. She had no name, no memory, only the endless cold and the weight of the water above. She could never leave, unless she found another. She watched the world, longing for warmth, for life. But no one came close enough to hear the whispers of the river. Until one autumn evening, a sorrowful young woman stood at the river's edge, her tears vanishing into the current. The woman beneath whispered, "You are tired. You are lonely. Let the water hold you." The young woman shuddered, drawn in. She stepped forward. The river pulled her under. In that instant, the woman beneath was free. She gasped for air, feeling solid ground beneath her feet. Behind her, the new woman beneath the river opened her eyes. The current wrapped around her like an old friend, and so the cycle continued. Now filled with darkness, she was alive.